Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs. This is me. So to you my dear viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my vlogs, and today I'm going to share another exciting vlogs for you. Okay, sit back and relax and watch this video till the end, and I'll see you later. Hi guys, ito yung ating tela. So we will create a shopping bag, this one. So from here, I cut out 2 inches. Look, from here, I cut out 2 inches here for the handle of our shopping bag. So this is it. I just fold it and I do the stitching here in the machine. So this is ready now. So this cloth is 1 yard. We will fold it. Look, we will fold it here. Fold natin siya dito. And also here, we will join these two sides all around. We will fold these sides here. Fold natin siya guys. So guys, ito na yung this is our handbag. So I already folded here, these sides, both sides here, and also here. So I am going to make a stitching here, and the other side here, and here I am going to attach this holder. Okay, so sit back and relax and watch this till the end. This is our handle, so we are going to attach here. So we will insert this one first inside here. Look, iipit natin siya dyan sa loob, and we will start hold it here, and we will make a stitching here. And the other side we will so this one guys, this one we will connect this one here. Look at here, we will fold it also. So this is the one. I fold this one here,
I inserted first the handle and I make a stitching, and now the other side we will also start here, this side, okay, para parehas sila lahat, okay.
It's already done. So guys, this is the handle here, the other side, and also the other side. So we will make a stitching on both side here and the other side here, okay.
So this is now the handle, guys. Already make a stitching here, and this one, okay. This is the base of our handbag.
This one, guys, we will put a stitching here because this is our base. So we have to balance. We will stitching here. We will put a stitching here for our base. Double stitching so that it will be more durable. What, guys? We will attach this one here. This is already our shopping bag. Look at, guys. This is the handle. Look. And this is folded here. And this is the other side. And look at here. I fold it here. This is the reverse side. We will. So this is now. Look at this. We will look. So look at here. This is the base. Look. Ito na yung handbag natin. Look at the other side. This is it. And look here. Ito na siya. Look. Ito na. So just pull it like that. And the other side also pull it here like this. This is two handle. Look. So this is already our shopping bag. We'll go to the market. So we have a free eco bag.
So this is already our eco bag. So yan na guys, this is our homemade recycled shopping bag. This shopping bag, this cloth is for my curtain. This curtain I don't need anymore, so I recycled it as a handbag.